Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to schedule messages on Telegram, and this is actually very simple. Let's say it's this person's birthday, right? So it's going to be their birthday at 12 a.m. sharp, and we want to send them happy birthday at that time. So I'm going to search for happy birthday. So after you type it in, what you're going to do is you're not going to click on send, but long press on the send option. As you can see, it says schedule message. There's also another option, send when online, but we want to schedule it. So when you click on schedule message, so let's say we want to send today, uh, uh, today and exactly at 23:59 or this time and 00, and then click on send at November 1. As you can see, this is scheduled. Okay, this is scheduled, this has not been sent yet. If I just click on this, you'll see all of the scheduled messages, and you can, I hope you are doing well, right? And then schedule message similarly in the same way. 0, let's say we want that to be sent. If you want it to be sent together, you could do that, or 1 minute later, let's say send at this time. As you can see, this has been scheduled as well, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.